project is a project within the way we perform epilepsy surgery. So the traditional way to perform epilepsy surgery over the last 100 years hasn't really changed. And as a result, actually, our rates of seizure freedom have not improved. Why is now very clear that the patients that are resistant to 2 or more drugs are not going to become seizure-free with medication and need surgery. Only half of the patients that have surgery become seizure-free. And I think this is unsatisfactory. I think there is so much more that we can do to increase this and also to decrease the rates of cognitive deficits, which I think in epilepsy surgery are still high. I think there is increasing evidence that actually this disorder is not a disorder of the cortex, but is a brain disorder that involves networks. And I think on this perspective, not only the cortex, but also deep nuclei, subcortical structures, and the cable that connects the cortex to the structure is very relevant to the architecture of epilepsy. And I believe that implementing a network perspective on the way we perform surgery, as has been done in, I think, in other type of surgery for different brain conditions, it really can increase both the rates of seizure freedom, but also the rates of cognitive outcome. And really the project moves around this. So in the study proposed, we have 2 parts. On one end, we are going to look into the patients that have already been operated for epilepsy, and to look which are the common cables that have been cut and that have made them seizure-free for a longer time. And then we are going to have a prospective part in which we are going to infuse this knowledge in our resection planning to make sure that we include the disconnection of these cables also in the future patients that are going to be operated, to make sure that they can enjoy a longer period of seizure freedom.